Hey there, fellow renters and real estate enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for navigating the rental market. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to edit your rental application on Zillow in 2025. Whether you're updating your contact info, adding a new job reference, or correcting a typo, Zillow makes it straightforward, if you know the steps. This process is especially useful now with Zillow's updated interface for the new year, helping you present your best self to potential landlords. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Zillow account. If you don't have one, head over to Zillow.com and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, navigate to the Rentals section on your dashboard. Look for the My Applications tab. That's where all your submitted or saved applications live. Now, select the application you want to edit. Zillow allows edits only if the application is still in progress or if the landlord hasn't reviewed it yet, so act fast. You'll see various fields like personal details, employment history, and references. Click on the edit icon. It's usually a pencil symbol, next to the section you want to change. Update your information accurately. For example, if your phone number has changed, double-check for typos to avoid any delays. After making your changes, hit the Save button at the bottom of the page. Zillow will prompt you to review everything one more time, always a good idea to catch any errors. Once saved, your application is updated and ready to go. If you're dealing with any issues, like an error message, try refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. And that's it. Editing your rental application on Zillow is a breeze once you get the hang of it. By keeping your info current, you're increasing your chances of snagging that dream apartment. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more real estate hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.